Looks like a good day to do a hyperlapse. I'm doing D-Log M, ISO 100, shutter speed is 1/60. I'm going to go ahead and take off, hover for a bit, then get my hyperlapse settings set in here. So let's go over to hyperlapse, right there. And I think I'll do a, how about a course lock one? And let's get my settings. Interval is 2 seconds. My length, what do I want here? How about 15 seconds? My battery is at 93%. I think that's good. Let's lock that in. My speed, I'm going to drop that down to about 0.7 miles per hour. And let's take it straight up and get a composition. Let's see, the clouds are moving. There are strong winds. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start. Oh, I need to go. Course lock is in that direction, and let's start. Do your thing, Mini 4 Pro. 89% battery, which translates into about roughly 30 minutes of flight time. And this sequence is going to take about 12 minutes, so I think I'm good to go there.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Oh, I see a bird up there, man. Oh, man, did you see that? Yeah, he got real close, man. That was too close for comfort. There he is again. He's circling. He might be coming in for an attack. I don't know. Wow, he's right there too, man. 10 seconds. Give me 10 more seconds. Yeah, he's out there, and he's not going away. Whoa, that was too close. Okay, I'm going down, man. I'm getting the heck out of here. Let's do return to home.